Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Whether you're here to compare apps, learn something new, or just stay updated, you're in the right place. Let's jump straight into it. Guys, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're putting two popular automation tools head to head, TinyTask versus AutoHotkey in 2025. If you're trying to figure out which one is the right for you workflow, this breakdown is exactly what you need. Let's start with TinyTask. It's a super lightweight, no cutting required, and perfect if you just want to record mouse movement and keystrokes. Then replay them. That's ideal for repetitive tasks like form filling, basic app automation, or grinding in games. Just hit record, do your thing, stop, and play it back in time. That's it. Simple, quick, and very beginner friendly. Now compare that with AutoHotkey. This one is for power users. It requires basic scripting, but in return, you get a ton of flexibility. You want to ramp case, automate complex actions with condition and loops, even create your own desktop tools. AutoHotkey can handle it all. It's not as plug and play as TinyTask, but if you're willing to learn, it will take you much further. So, what's the difference? If you want no setup, no code, and just need a simple task automation, go with TinyTask. If you are ready to write scripts and build deeper automation, then AutoHotkey is your tool. That's the full scope for 2025. Let me know in the comments which you prefer, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more smart comparison and just tutorials like this. See you in the next one.